OnCommand Connection. Company Setup. Adding dealers. To fully utilize all that OnCommand Connection has to offer, you must add assets to your OnCommand Connection portal. This video focuses on adding dealers. Giving dealers access to your account allows them to better service your exact needs when you need them the most. Once logged in to the Advanced Remote Diagnostics dashboard, find the Admin tab and then select Self-Service. At the top of the page, select the company. On the side, select the location you want to add assets to. Adding dealers to your account is a two-step process. Select the Dealer tab. Start by searching for the dealer in the Dealer Search area. Use the Filters drop-down to narrow your search. Once results are found, they are shown in the Found Dealers area. Select the dealer by clicking Add. The dealer will then be shown in the customer's current dealers area. Next, you need to add specific dealer user logins to your account. Click the Users tab and then click Add Known Users. Enter the email or DIY user login and press Tab. The full details of that user will be displayed. If you would like to give that user admin access to your account, be sure to click the Customer Admin checkbox. To finish adding the user, click Submit. Contact with a dealer is needed to determine the user logins or IDs. This completes adding dealers to the OnCommand Connection portal.